All right, let's make some quick and easy Italian beef sandwiches. Guys, this is the easiest recipe ever. All you're gonna need is some lunch meat, which of course roast beef. We got it sliced, not shaved, but sliced in the most very thin number you can get it sliced in. You're gonna need some rolls. I'm using the Spanish roll. You're gonna need some Giardiniera. I don't even know how to say the name, but you're gonna need it. It's from Chicago. It's a Chicago style. If you've ever been to Portillo's, you know what I'm talking about. You need some beef broth. I have Italian beef gravy seasoning. That's the au jus that you're going to dip your sandwich in. Cheese, if you want cheese on it. I'm using aged white cheddar. And then you're gonna need a small crock pot. That is all you need, guys. All you need. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to take our beef stock and we're gonna pour a little bit on the bottom of our crock pot. And we're gonna take some of our roast beef, like so, straight out the package, guys. I got 1.5 pounds. I'm not gonna end up using all of it because I'm only making about 2 sandwiches. But you just want to take the amount of meat that you're actually going to eat. And do you see how the meat is slightly red? You're just going to cook it until it's not red anymore. Because you want to cook it all the way through, even though you can eat roast beef just like this. Just want to make sure you got it right. All right. I'm just breaking up the pieces just a bit. All right, those are all the pieces that we need. So we're going to go ahead and pour some more beef stock, because this beef stock is also going to be your gravy that you are going to dip your meat in. You just want for the stock to peek over the meat just a little bit, and that's all you need. I'm going to take my Italian beef seasoning. Going to season the beef like so. Let me open up the other side. It might go a little faster. There we go. All right. And this is how it should look. Let me give you a close-up. Okay, so that's how it looks in my crock pot. I got the smallest crock pot you can think of. Like I said, I'm only making 2 sandwiches. I am going to pour a little bit more. There we go. You can see the gravy kind of peeking up, the beef stock kind of peeking up. So I'm just gonna let this sit on low for about 3 hours. It'll be done after an hour, but I'm letting it sit for 3 hours because I want those juices and these seasonings to get inside this beef. And then guess what, y'all? We're going to prepare our sandwich. So I will be back. All right, it's been about 3 hours, so we're just gonna take the top off the beef. Hold on, the camera's getting fogged up. All right, so our roast beef is good to go. Look at that. Yes, I got the oven preheating, but yeah, our roast beef is good to go. So we're gonna start assembling our sandwich so that I can show you the next process. Give me 1 second. All right, so what I like to do is I sliced open my bread. As you can see, I'm gonna take a little bit of garlic butter. Literally, I have a little bit. I have some more, but today I'm using just a little bit. And I'm just gonna start spreading that in the inside, just to give it a little bit more flavor. I don't need a lot. Like I said, it's just to give it a little bit more flavor. So let me spread that on the inside. Yeah. All right, when we got that spread, we are going to use our tongs, bring the crock pot to us like so. And we're going to add our beef like so. Yes, this is what you want to do. I know you can't see it. I'll show you guys when I'm done adding the beef, but I'm gonna just toss it on the bread. It's so easy, y'all. I only let it cook because I knew I wasn't gonna be hungry until then. But yeah, it's so easy. Just add that on to the sandwich. Yes. And then we're gonna add the cheese and let it toast just a little bit. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. I have nothing on it. It's just literally the bread and the meat. Let's go ahead and add our cheese. We're gonna just throw some cheese on there real quick. There we go. And cheese. Throw a little bit more on it. Cheese. Make sure that your sandwich is sticky. Cheese. And a little bit more cheese. There we go. Now we're just gonna go ahead and broil that in the oven for about 2 minutes. And we're going to put the rest of our sandwich together. And there you have it. Our Italian beef sandwiches. I went ahead and added the cheese. As you guys see, then we put it in the oven. I added the peppers and carrots and everything. Cooked me some fries on the side. And got the au jus gravy on the side as well. So we are going to go ahead and dig in. If you like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I have 1,000 more recipes for you guys. All right, let's go.